You can hear the guys' rock music going on in the background. Susannah here, the Good Property Company. Forgive the hair, the coat, the cup of tea. I've done a 3-hour workout this morning and I'm just about to go for Sunday lunch, but I thought I'd come in. Joe and Attila are working here today. So this is a kind of tart-up, but tart-up sounds too loose. A tart-up, a good renovation of a property I bought for 4 years ago. It's worth $450 now, and here's a prime example of why you need to be quite professional as a landlord. So I would suggest to you 10% of your rent income is going to be spent on repairs. So every single month when your money comes into your bank account, and I want you to have all separated bank accounts. I've done another video called something like #1 property advice. It's pretty much the best advice I ever got. Your rent income comes into one bank account. You know obviously what all your costs are, so you bounce all of your mortgage into another bank account. You bounce 10% of your rent income into repair bank account. You bounce all the costs if you're doing HMOs. Like we commit to spending £75 per person on bills and utilities and stuff. That goes into another bank account, and then your profit goes into another bank account. So my team, fortunately, they've been doing extremely well on their KPIs, that's their key performance indicators, and they have £8,000 saved in their budget, so they haven't spent 10% monthly on their repairs. We've got 3 months left of the year to go, and they've got over £8,000, if you like, underspend. Brilliant, because we're just about to spend it. Or we're about to spend some of it on this property. So what it means is it doesn't make my tummy kind of feel very anxious, it doesn't make me very nervous that my repair bill is going to be too much, because the team have done a great job of saving money. And then comes along, I wouldn't call this an emergency, but a bed bug eviction followed by, do you know what, let's get the property nice. So at least you know that statistically your budget is correct. And I've got £8,000 to spend. We won't spend £8,000 on this. And we'll be doing tenant viewings next week, and we'll be having tenants in within 2 weeks' time. But at least you're not kind of thinking, oh my God, where's this money coming from? It's all set aside every month, and thank God there's an £8,000 budget. See you soon. Bye.